Hello people, for this round, I'm gonna show you how to improve Steam download speeds. You go over to Steam, go to settings, go to downloads, and as you can see here, I already disabled the download speed limit, but by default this would be switched on. And I switch this on so I decide when it downloads, because I normally don't allow auto downloads, and by default this toggle for allowing downloads during gameplay would usually be off. That's why if you're downloading a larger game and then you decide to play another, you'll notice that it pauses. You'd have to alt tab out just so you can continue, but this is so that you don't have to go and do that. Also turn off the throttle downloads while streaming in case you're a streamer, and you might also want to clear the download cache, but you will have to restart your PC if you clear the download cache. Generally, you might also want to select the 5G version. Most Wi-Fi have 5G now. What you're looking at right now is a 5G connection is stronger, but it doesn't have as much range as the usual Wi-Fi connection. So just go straight to closer to your router, or you can also use the Ethernet if you have a wire. That can also increase your download speed. You might also want to make sure that you don't have any programs that are downloading on the background. That can also slow down download speed significantly. Or streaming, as in streaming videos on YouTube or other sites. As much as possible, focus on the download if you'd like, and just play another game. Now, if you have any other questions, you can leave a comment down below. If this helped you out, you can always leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.